call them vertices. 6 points where those sides meet. All right. On this side of your paper, I want you to draw a hexagon. And hexagons are kind of tricky to draw, so watch me. I'm going to kind of outline it, and you can follow me line by line. For a hexagon, you draw a line across the top. Then you slant out, slant in, line across the bottom, slant out, slant in. So drawing a hexagon for me on this side. And on this side of your paper, I want you to draw me a shape that is not a hexagon. Think of some of the other two-dimensional shapes we've talked about. And draw me something that is not a hexagon, that does not have 6 sides and 6 vertices. Think of some of the other shapes we've done. When you're done with that, you can open to the inside, and we're going to go on a hexagon hunt. Remember, they said that a hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices. So let's check. Let's do this top row together, and then I'll let you do the rest of the page on your own. We're going to put an X on every hexagon we see. All right? So on this one, does it have 6 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it does. Does it have 6 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it does. So we're going to put an X on that hexagon. What about this shape? Does it have 6 sides? 1, 2, 3. No, it is not a hexagon. What about this one? Does it have 6 sides? No, it is not a hexagon. So I want you to keep looking on this page, and I want you to put an X on any shape you see that is a hexagon. 6 sides and 6 vertices. I'm going to turn to the next page. Oh, we've got a shape here. A shape. I want you to get your crayons out, and I want you to color only the parts of this picture that are a hexagon. Only the parts that have 6 sides and 6 vertices. And then on the back, I want you to put an X on any hexagons you see in this row. And then I want you to come down here, and I want you to try and draw me another hexagon. Remember, it's line across the top, slant out, slant in, line across the bottom, slant up, slant in. All right, do your best, and we will talk more about hexagon and its attributes and sides and vertices tomorrow. Talk to you later.